A small brown dog named Max lived near a park. One rainy day, he found a white cat named Luna sitting alone under a bench. Searching for food, Max and Luna became friends. They walked together through busy streets looking for food. A kind hot dog seller gave them snacks. One day, Luna climbed a tall tree and could not come down. Max barked loudly for help. A firefighter came and rescued Luna safely. People in the neighborhood loved their friendship. A little girl recorded their videos and uploaded them online. Soon, Max and Luna became internet stars in the US. Max and Luna finally found a loving home together.